Hi, my name is Jazz, also known as SoJazzaye, here to share with you my tips on a healthy hair journey. I have been getting a lot of repetitive questions going down in my DMs and in my comments on how I got started on my curly hair journey. How did I get my curls from this to looking like this? Just like toxic people and negative vibes, you have to cut off those dead ends. Cut it.
Cut it. Cut it.
The dramatic transformation happened to me when I got my first haircut by the curl doctor, Shai, back in 2015.
And I'm getting my makeover. This is my first time, guys, and I'm so excited getting my haircut by Shai.
He cut off all my dead ends and gave my curls life. Before, my curls were dried out, I had a lot of dead ends, I had no shape. So when I went to see Shai, I learned so much about my curls. He taught me so much about my hair pattern, my curl pattern, and my hair, and how to treat it. The thirst is real with curly hair and with our bodies, so it's important to stay hydrated and drink lots and lots and lots of water. Is that too many lots? This will help with dried out, brittle curls, with growth, and with clear skin. Just like a plant, your hair and body needs water. So refresh and stay hydrated. Drink lots and lots of water. Lots and lots. Tip number 3, nourish your curls and your body with healthy choices. Be more selective on what you put in your body, because it's not just about what products you use for your curls, but what foods you eat and the vitamins you take to nourish your body from within. To name a few, here are my favorite snacks. Berries, almonds and walnuts, and avocado. Also, deep conditioning, hair masks, scalp oils are also essential when nourishing your curls. Class is in session. Tip number 4, invest. Curly hair is high maintenance. Invest time in learning about your hair. I know you don't want to hear this, but it's time to purge. That means we're gonna toss out all the products that have sulfates, silicones, alcohol, and parabens. Cut it all out. Get rid of it. Toss it. Get rid of it. Don't give it to anybody. Don't donate these products. You don't want anybody else with curly hair to, Do your research. These are not good ingredients to have in your products. Time to start over and find out what works for your curly hair. A book I recommend is The Curl Revolution. Now, this has helped me a lot with learning about my curl pattern, learning about coloring my curls, and cutting your curls, because that's what it's gonna take to start your curly hair journey. Not only that, there's other highlighted stories of other people going through the same struggle with their curly hair. I could recommend a list of products that work for my curly hair. Doesn't mean that it's gonna work for yours. That's why I say it's important to invest in the time to learn about your curl type. So the question is, what's your curl type? Tip 5, patience and consistency. Enjoy the process of your transition and growth. After color damage, after heat damage, cutting it took about 4 years to see my curls at its healthiest form. This process may take weeks, months, or even years. It really depends on how damaged your curls are. That's why I say consistency and patience is key. Till this day, my curls are still not perfect. Don't stress, because that does cause hair loss. Just enjoy the process of your transition. Loving your hair starts with loving yourself, so find peace in your growth. It took me a lot of confidence to finally share this healthy hair journey. Try to be consistent, but your girl has to work. So if this video has helped you in any type of way, please leave your feedback, comment below, let me know what you think. And I'll be sharing more videos, so make sure you subscribe.